If you have a pending immigration case and you're still wondering, when the heck can I get my work authorization? Then keep watching. Hello, I'm attorney Lee Marvin, and I have been practicing law for over 20 years, and I have specialized in immigration law for over a decade. My main office is in Grand Rapids, Michigan, but I help individuals and families in every state of the country and really any country in the world. So if you have questions, you can reach out to me. But for this video, I want you to wait a couple minutes, okay? Because I want to give you the three main processes that can qualify you for a work permit. And I want to let you know when you're eligible to apply for those work permits, okay? So stick around, very important information. So I've worked with virtually every immigration process that's out there, okay? And there's a lot of different things that people need, but there's two very common questions and needs that most of my clients have. One, they need the ability to work legally. And two, they want to know when they can apply for this stuff. So that's why I'm doing this video, okay? What makes things different is the major problems associated with the border crisis has thrown everything into turmoil, okay? Because now you no longer have thousands and thousands of backlog cases that existed because of, well, COVID, prior to COVID, Trump, prior to Trump, you get the point. But now there's a massive influx of people, thousands upon thousands of people coming across the border that may or may not qualify for a work permit based on new initiatives from the Biden administration. So this stuff is what we call a moving target. There's lots of things that are changing. The Biden administration is tweaking things and creating things all the time. What does that mean for people already waiting their process? It means it's going to take longer, okay? So you now have to wait for potentially thousands, tens of thousands of more people challenging and competing with you for work authorization and for the manpower to process these requests, okay? So it's not a great situation for anyone, let alone people that have been waiting for a while already, okay? So instead of talking about every possible process out there, which would take way too long, I want to make it easier for the majority of people watching this video and give you the three main processes that will qualify you for work authorization and when you can apply for that, okay? So number one, the most important for many people is the adjustment of status or the green card request inside the United States, okay? So if you entered legally and you applied properly for your green card request, then you can immediately apply for your green card or your work permit, and you'll get it probably within 4 to 6 months, okay? So sounds easy, not easy, but it's pretty straightforward, okay? So that's people getting green cards inside the United States. Two is the asylum process. So asylum has changed a lot within the last several years, but the waiting period for the work permit is still set at 180 days. Now that 180 days starts when you have an official acceptance of your asylum request. Not a decision, but the acceptance of your petition for asylum. That's what is referred to as the asylum clock, okay? So the third process is the U visa. This has changed a lot within the last few years as well. Previously, it took up to 5 years to get the ability to work under the U visa. Why is this? Because the way the U visa used to work is that they had to make a decision on your U visa, give you a U visa approval before you had the right to work. Well, the Biden administration this year made a change to that. Now they do what's called a Bonafide Determination. So basically they want to weed out people that are cheaters and liars and committing fraud and just trying to get a work permit, okay? So Bonafide Determination now allows people with a legit case to be able to get a work authorization within 6 months. Huge difference. If you haven't been granted bona fide determination, you've got to wait the 5 years, okay? So it'll take you a while. So if you like the information that I provided today, please subscribe. Click the bell so you can get notified of future videos of a lot of different types of immigration processes. If you have direct questions, you want to talk to me directly, click on the following link to reach out to me to ask your questions. I want to help you succeed with your immigration, so give me a call.